I'll always encourage anyone that has little locks, whether they're Microlocks, Sisterlocks, whatever type of lock, I will always encourage you to consider becoming a do-it-yourselfer. At the very least, consider becoming well-versed in being able to do your hair, even if it means you are doing just a section of your hair. For example, deciding to take over a section where your hair is very tender, it seems to be weakening, perhaps you are suffering from or beginning to see the signs of early hair loss, potential problems, maybe even alopecia. You've lost some locks, you're beginning to see more scalp. When you are do-it-yourselfer, you are able to put the care, the love, and the necessary attention into taking your time, into making sure that your hair is happy each time you have to go in for a retightening or re-rolling, relocking, whatever it is that you call it.